Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of luxury travel. Today, we are about to step inside one of the most extravagant creations in the world, the Mercedes Mansion on Wheels. This is not just an RV, not just a motorhome. This is a moving palace on wheels designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection. From the very first glance, the exterior takes your breath away. The body is built on a Mercedes truck base, but what rises above it looks like a European royal mansion. Gothic-style windows, grand arches, balconies, and soft curves. It looks more like a luxury villa than something that can actually move on the road. The living area, step inside, and you are welcomed by a grand living room. The floors are marble polished, the walls are decorated with fine woodwork, and the ceiling has golden trims with ambient LED lighting. Plush leather sofas, a giant 85-inch smart TV, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system transform this space into a cinematic experience on the move. The kitchen and dining next, we enter the luxury kitchen. It is equipped with everything you could imagine. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and even a dishwasher. The counters are made of Italian granite, and every cabinet opens with a soft touch. Right next to the kitchen is the dining space, with a crystal chandelier hanging above a six-seater luxury dining table. Bedrooms. The mansion offers multiple bedrooms spread across 2 floors. Each bedroom is like a 5-star hotel suite. King-size beds with memory foam mattresses, silk bed linens, and automated curtains create a perfect environment for comfort. Smart windows adjust tint according to sunlight, giving you complete privacy and energy efficiency. Every room has its own entertainment system and personal workspace. Bathrooms. What about the bathrooms? This motorhome doesn't compromise. You'll find luxury spa-style bathrooms fitted with rainfall showers, heated floors, and marble sinks. Some suites even include a jacuzzi bath. The mirrors have built-in smart screens, and the entire system runs on eco-friendly water recycling technology, ensuring luxury without waste. Technology and control. This mansion is powered by cutting-edge technology. A central smart control system lets you adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even security with just your voice or smartphone. High-speed satellite internet ensures you stay connected wherever you travel. Rooftop and outdoor space. One of the most breathtaking features is the expandable rooftop terrace. Imagine parking in the middle of nature, climbing to the roof, and enjoying a 360-degree view while sitting in a jacuzzi or lounge chairs. There's also a retractable outdoor kitchen and BBQ setup for parties under the stars. The garage and extras. Yes, this motorhome even includes a built-in garage that can carry a small luxury car or electric bikes. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, and advanced air suspension ensures the smoothest ride possible despite its massive size. The price of luxury. All of this comes with a price tag of around $1.25 million. But for those who can afford it, this is not just a vehicle. It's a mobile lifestyle, a luxury residence that can take you anywhere in the world without leaving comfort behind. So is this the future of motorhomes? Absolutely. The Mercedes Mansion on Wheels is not just transportation, it is a dream, a palace, and a revolution in luxury travel.